Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I recorded a video on the steps of how to do wool applique. I know when I first got interested in it, I thought, I don't know, there's too much I don't know. And I've had many requests, and for the Woolly Candle Mat Club, while this was normally going to be a closed Facebook group, all groups are now open and you're able to watch the content. So if you've ever been curious about the process of how something comes together, we want to share that with you. Free content all the time, 24/7 at the Shabby Fabrics channel. And in the process of watching the longer video of how this process works, if you're like, I absolutely want to be a part of that candle mat club, grab your spot. We would love to have you in there. Kits will be shipping right away, and you'll be getting one for each month of the year. And it's fun to have something beautiful and new to make and display for all 12 months. So it's a longer video, we know that, but I didn't want to leave any step untouched, and more videos to come. Again, free to watch on machine stitching down or hand stitching down if you prefer, the applique shapes, and we even go into the hand embroidery stitches. So we will literally take you through the process from start to finish, and you too can see how fun and easy it is to do wool applique. So I'll see you over on that longer video. Be sure to grab your spot in the club and grab a friend, because we know crafting together is even better. I'll see you there.